Welcome to the unboxing of our July 2021 Eclectic Vibes release. So in here we have lots of different goodies. We have a beautiful layering stencil, we have a layering die set, we also have some beautiful 3D embossing folders, we also have lots of beautiful stamps with the coordinating dies and accessories in the 2x3 and also the 6x8 size. First up we have a Gardenia duo. So in here we have two beautiful blooms with the layers as well as some leaves and some beautiful sentiments as well. The sentiments can be used for all different occasions, so this is a great one to go for. As well as the 6x8 stamp set, we also have the matching die, which is going to cut out those two beautiful blooms and those two leaves as well that are in the stamp set. As well as that we have the mask stencil, so we have the masks and the stencil, so you're going to be able to mask and add colour very quickly and easily to those beautiful images that we have in the stamp set. Next up we have Watercolor Extravaganza. So this is a 6x8 stamp set and this is so beautiful. So we have lots of beautiful loose layering images. As well as the stamp set, we also have the matching die set available. So this is going to cut out all of the little images that you can see in the stamp set really quickly and easily. It will leave a little border around the outside edge, so these flowers are just going to pop when you do layer them together on an arrangement like this. Next up we have Vintage Vibes. So this is a 6x8 stamp set and you can see that we have lots of different images in here. We have a vintage style TV as well as some roller skates where you can add different patterns onto. Inside we do have the layering guide so you can see exactly how these guides are going to go together. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available as well, and that is going to cut out the various pieces that you do have on the stamp set. As well as the stamp and the die, we also have the coordinating simple colouring stencil. So this is going to allow you to add different layers to those images to create some really fun effects with them. This is a great one to add some really vintage vibes to all of your card making and other projects too. Next up we have the Cool Decades stamp, which coordinates with the Cool Doodles 3D embossing folder. So in this 6x8 stamp set you've got loads of different doodles and some really great sentiments as well as the kind of eras in there too. So we have the 50s, 60s, 70s and 80s and 90s too. As well as the stamp set, we also have this 3D embossing folder which will coordinate perfectly with the stamp set. These products would work wonderfully for various different projects, and I think that it would also work well for teenager cards too. Next up we have Just a Number stamp and die set. So you can see on this 6x8 stamp set that you have lots and lots of different sentiments that you can use on all of your birthday cards. As well as the stamp set, we also have the matching die set, which is a layering die set which is going to cut out the happy and the birthday with the shadow too. A great one to add for all of your birthday themed projects. Next up we have an add-on for one of our very popular stamp sets. This is the Adore You add-on. So in this you're going to get a large flower bloom as well as a little bud, a leaf and also a sentiment. We also have the matching die set available which is going to cut out all of the elements from the stamp set. This is a great one to add with the Adore You stamp set, or you can just use it on its own to create some really beautiful projects too. Next up we have I Really Miss You. So this is a 2 by 3 inch stamp, and you can see that we have the I Really Miss You and 2 exclamation marks on here. A great one to add to your little projects to make sure that people know that you really do miss them. We also have the matching die set available, which is going to create a layered sentiment of the miss. So we have the miss as the sentiment, and then we also have the shadow too, to create really beautiful effects. Next up we have some 3D embossing folders. So this is the very pretty pressed flowers. It's a 6 by 6 inch embossing folder, so we have the embossing on both sides to create this really beautiful effect. So you can see on the back the kind of a look that you're going to get if when you use this with a piece of cardstock. You can use this with white cardstock and then blend it, or use it with different coloured cardstock for different effects. Next up we have Delightful Frame. So again, this is a 6 by 6 inch 3D embossing folder. So you can see the texture that you are going to get on both sides of the folder there. This one is a great one to add a focal sentiment to your cards or even scrapbook layouts by just running this through your machine, and then maybe colouring the images by themselves is going to give a really beautiful look to frame your sentiments. Next up we have Illusion Triangles. So this is a 6 by 6 inch 3D embossing folder, and this is going to give you a really beautiful 3D geometric design all over the front of a 6 by 6 piece of cardstock. You can use this just as it is, just with some white cardstock, to add a little bit of texture behind your designs, to add something a little bit different and add some more interest to your projects. Next up we have the very pretty Window Slats 3D embossing folder. Again, this is 6 by 6 inch, and we have these beautiful horizontal lines on here, or you could switch it around to have them going whichever way you want. It's a really simple design, so won't take anything away for anything that you do pop onto it. A really great one to add into your stash, and it will be used for all occasions. Next up we have the Thank You for Being My Friend die. So in here we have 4 different dies which are all going to layer up on top of each other to create this really fabulous sentiment. So you don't necessarily need to use the little banner piece, you could definitely just use it on its own, just to say thank you friend as well. Next up we have a very cool builder stencil. So this is Playful patterns, and in here you're going to get 4 different stencils, all of which are 6 by 6 with various different designs on each. So when you turn this over, you can see that you can use them all together like it suggests, or you can really mix and match these stencils around to create some very unique backgrounds on your own. A really great one to add into your stash to add some really quick and easy backgrounds to your cards. So here are all of our new products in our July 2021 Eclectic Vibes release. We really do hope that you've spotted something in this release that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and we'll see you again really soon. Bye bye!
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!